Good afternoon, guys. It is already 5:20. Yeah, I was just here in the computer, in the van, cleaning. And now I feel the need to go out. I'm going to have a coffee at the beach. And I'm going to buy something, a bread from the Woolworths. I'm just going to get this one. This is a blueberry muffins, $4.70. We are now here in the marina, but yeah, I still need to make a coffee. There's still a little water. Today is Monday, that's why there's no other cars in here. Usually very busy during weekends. Oh, there's new parking machine here, and we're going to sit in one of the table here, maybe here, but the sun is blinding. Yeah, it's blinding. If you notice the sky, it's very clear. Yeah, there's no clouds, so doing a time-lapse with that is not really the best thing. Yeah, because there will be no drama, there will be no movements. This is sweet, very sweet. If there is an ensaymada, I will choose the ensaymada. Oh, about the ensaymada, yeah, I actually going to pick up ensaymada tomorrow. Some of those I'm going to bring to the workplace, and some I'll give to Inigo and Divina. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are here at the moment here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. The time now is already, what time is it? It's 2:56. Yeah, by 3:30 I need to go to the house of Rick and Christina. I'm going to get the ensaymada. Actually, not just ensaymada, but mix of different breads and Filipino pastries. Yeah, I ordered maybe 5 days ago or 4 days ago. Yeah, because I am cravings for ensaymada, and so I ordered like 4 different kinds. It's still early, it's 2:57, and their house is just here around the Salamander Bay Shopping Square. So I'm going first to the Kmart. I noticed that that guy knows everyone. Yeah, he was chatting that side, and then he went to the return and earn, and he's also chatting. Yeah, those people they are good. I mean, they can really they can really socialize very well. You know, my brother, two of my brother, they are very sociable. Yeah, I remember in Cainta, he is the one who make the people in Cainta to be friends to each other. But me, I was very shy. I am like a mama's boy, and my mother actually telling me, don't play there, you get hurt. Yeah, when I was playing basketball with the kids, other kids, and my mother is just on the window watching the people, you know, the passers-by, and the basketball court is just in the front on the street. Yeah, and my mother is telling me, don't play with basketball, it's going to hurt you. Today I work from 6 o'clock, and I finish 2:30 already when I sign out. I'm getting one of these speaker. This one or this one? Yeah, I think just this one. Yeah, this is $20. I bought this one because sometimes when I'm in the car, I feel like playing music, but I don't want the battery of the car run out. Yeah, the pastry is $90 total. And you know, I withdraw this in the ATM machine just using the app, not using the actual card. Yeah, nice. So to switch on this Volkswagen Transporter, you need to push the brake and turn the battery, yeah, the key. And do you know that Australian dollars is actually, yeah, plastic, so it's waterproof. Yeah. And also the Philippine peso, yeah, they are actually made in Australia. I'm not sure if it is the 1,000 pesos or, yeah, I think the 1,000 peso bill is made in Australia. I'm going out to the house of Rick and Christina to pick up the pastry. Okay, we are back here in the workplace, and these are the things that I got from the house of Rick. Yeah, if you remember, I had this also. Yeah, this the ensaymada. Oh, it smells so good. This one is stracel. I don't know, I'm not sure, but yes, like ensaymada but different toppings. It's ubi. And then this is the classic ensaymada. And then this one is cheese roll. Cheese roll? Yeah, cheese roll. And some of this I will give to the chefs. Can't wait to go home. I'm going to eat it now. Amazing, I really love this ensaymada and some other breads. Yeah, and yeah, I'm excited to open this speaker. Oh, it's like this. You know, Kmart product is not necessarily bad because it's cheap, but not necessarily bad quality. Actually, good quality.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Maximum volume.
Okay, that's it. We go home. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is raining today. Yeah, since morning when I left the house, it was raining. And I worked today from 6 o'clock and I finished at 2 o'clock. We are not busy. We did just 93. Yeah. And so I cleaned the area, one area, the vacuum area, vacuum machine area. It's a big space, so I cleaned that together with the flour container, sugar container. It's a big bucket. Yeah, and then the floor, I clean it for 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm not going home yet. I will be staying here, edit video here while having a coffee. And I'm going to eat this. Yeah, I have only this much left, but I ordered again. Actually, I'm going to pick it up on Saturday. And the good thing about it is that once it reaches the maximum boiling point, it will automatically stop, so it is safe to use. It's too hot. Too hot, right? Yeah, look at this. I'm actually going to finish it all. We are here in the petrol station here in Mobile, Salamander Bay. And yeah, so basically I was already in the house, and then I realized that there is a warning about the petrol, about the gas of the van. Yeah, and so I decided to come here. This is actually already the second time that I got a warning, gas warning, while driving. The first one was with my Suzuki Jimny, yeah, before, and this is the second time. It's 163.04. Yeah, it's raining. Okay, it's full tank again, and we are now here in front of Aldi. Yeah,
Entering time-lapse mode.
and you know, when I was going to the petrol station, Yeah, so basically at the crossing, yeah, I was on the go, and on the other side of me is also go. Almost accident.